Okay, so I was watching the Golden Girls, of course, and I just noticed this little story on the bird theme. Rose has brought a dog into their house, and she finally trained the dog and taught it how to sit. So now she's sitting down, and she's going to ask Dorothy if Dorothy's ever had a pet. And Dorothy's going to tell a story here about a paper bird, God, and what the paper bird is used for. Sophia, and that's funny because her name's Sophia. Sophia used the paper bird to reignite a pilot light, which sounds to me like reincarnation in a way. But just listen. If you have the ears to hear it, the eyes to see it, you'll understand this story. Because the people that wrote this show, they're into it. Here you go.
Of course I had a pet. Remember Ma? I was 6 years old and I wanted a pony.
Let the pony think again.
She promised me a pony. She swore I'd get a pony. She brings me a little paper bird on a stick from the circus. You know, the kind that you have to twirl
From this
around your
circus.
head to get them to tweet.
That was your pet? They're very clean.
Then she tells me if I'm a good girl, a really good girl, God will turn that paper bird into a real one. Which I believe because why would a mother lie? So every day I'm being very good and praying and looking for any sign of life. I'm becoming very attached to that ridiculous paper bird.
That's right.
So you can imagine my heartbreak when one morning I find it dead.
How does a paper bird die?
Good question. Someone used it to restart the pilot light.
That's what happens to your bird if it stays paper. If it never gets turned into a real bird. Use it to ignite, or restart, I'm sorry. Use it to restart the pilot light.